which has arisen from the complaint made by them. We are also investigating this angle.
That creates more suspicion. It's not more suspicion.
But only the other thing, my lord, it has been stated that the just 24 hours before the death, my lord, the injury happened. My lord. 24 hours before the death, he was not in the police custody.
He was a police custody.
No, it is contrary to the case made out in the
24 to 48, nobody can fix the time, sir.
report.
If you
The
go
postmortem report says so. My lord.
if your second postmortem, you have got the report with you only.
Postmortem is that page, my lord, 107. My lord, the queries, the second postmortem.
No, leave the queries. Come to, you have got a copy. Come to page 172 of your, this is what you are. P3, yeah. Injuries.
Yes. That I've seen.
No, the thing is that this supported the zone of injury committed is very prone for the police authorities to inflict. Huh? You believe that or no? You tell me. Huh? Let this go to CID, DIG CID. আর কিছু পারবে না, লোকাল পুলিশ পারবে না। They are under pressure. Huh? Huh? Where is the assistant commissioner over there? কোথায়?
In Bengal police.
আচ্ছা, আর সাথে কোথায়? পুরুলিয়া কোথা থেকে assistant commissioner পাওয়া যায়?
But not by the district police. My submission is this. Kindly form a seat. Because they
Let the DIG CID form from the homicide CID one team. I will consider this after 1 month. What they have done.
after the report given by the
CID.
that may be kept open for the forming a special investigation.
That's why.
Whatever as confirmed by the
This doctor should be under scanner.
Kindly marks that no, because he says that decomposed word is used where there is no
Decompose. I'm not bothered. No injuries have been found.
He says natural death.
That his report also says I'm waiting for the report of the the doctor did not dissect that portion where the injury has been found by X. It can be said that he did not look into that, but it is not that he looked
For postmortem, sir, how will a criminal court proceed, sir, if doctors behave like this?
You going into the aspect that second report is on record. The trial court will definitely consider both reports.
No,
Both reports.
very good. That is a separate issue totally. Now you've got to appreciate one fact over here, that had that postmortem report been accepted, suppose we accept, why did you register case under 103? What is your answer to that?
That was a mistake.
Now the injury annuals the benefit of the prosecution. Now, to establish a prosecution case, even if there is an injury, which may not have ultimately lead to the cause of death, it annuals the benefit of the prosecution. So, my lord, in my humble submission, there has been no change in circumstances.
And the change in circumstances, he could not see. That is why he could not eat. Huh?
What is saying?
You understand? Huh? Let them go, sir. I have got nothing issue. These are local issues. Until and unless persons from outside the district go and investigate the case, the real picture will not surface. I'm not changing it statewide, state to central. I'm not violating the constitutional mandate, sir. What I'm doing is that I'm giving it to the DIG CID. He'll constitute a team from the homicide department of the CID from Bhavani Babu, not from the local DD.
And one more thing, my lord, the role of the doctor should be also under scanner in terms of old code 201 for disappearance of evidence. Your lordship can see this. My lord, what kind of postmortem is this? Most probably a different body altogether has been sent for postmortem.
That I can.
Everything is decomposed.
The thing is, the same body was sent to the others.
Subsequently,
there is a difference.
And that only pursuant to your lordship's direction.
That there is a
and your lordship said that the magistrate will identify the body.
Incompetent. There is a difference between incompetence and culpability.
So not only that, my lord, your lordship can remember when first half your lordship heard the matter, second half the clarification was given by the doctor. Within 1 hour, a clarification report was given the doctor standing the earlier version. Your lordship can remember that also.
Police officers would have to be investigated. It's already by the DIG.
You have registered a case under section 103. Mr. Dotto, just show me how many statements supports your murder theory. Yes, I'm giving the whole case diary to you. You have started the investigation on 21st of July. Show me how many statements, except that of the complainant, supports your murder theory.
Complainant and his family. But apart from that, no other person were with the deceased for the last few hours.
May not be last few hours. The process starts according to the allegations from basically 18th.
16th or 18th.
My lord, 17th, my lord, he returned from the police station.
Yes,
18th, my lord, he was taken to the hospital and my lord declared.
Not 16th.
16th, initially the incident happened.
Then 17 left.
So 16th he was at the police station for
17th.
17th left.
No, 16.
Yes,
16 left.
No,
Ah.
17.
Whatever the
না, না।
দেখো পুলিশ ওখানে দেখো লোকালকে দিয়ে হবে না এখান থেকে বাইরে থেকে না গেলে
My lord is much more experienced than us. Your lordship knows the entire scenario
এখান
exactly
থেকে না
what
গেলে হবে
happened.
না কেননা দে আর ইন আ ফিক্সড সেট অফ মাইন্ড অ্যাকচুয়ালি they cannot come out of whatever they have heard, and once you hear it from the experts na doctors and all, you cannot come out of that, sir. You cannot independently think of any other options which can click. চলে এসো না এটা না মেজরিটি করা আছে কিন্তু এখানে কয়েক জায়গায় এই করতে হবে এই জায়গাগুলো আমি বলে দিচ্ছি ওইটুকু খালি করে নাও ব্যাস মেজরিটি করা আছে হ্যাঁ বাদ এই মার্ক করতে বললাম কোন কোন জায়গাগুলো বাদ আছে ওইটুকু নাও এখানে পেজ 1 এই জায়গাটা একটু এটাই বলছি এতটা টোকা যাবে না আমি ছোট করে দিচ্ছি হ্যাঁ এখানটা লেখো the state in order to investigation narrates the state of events which the police authority projected before the court small I করে দাও on 15/7/2025 one Shankar Bhagavan Mahato lodged a complaint before the police personnel of Arsha police station alleging that his mobile phone was missing near Arsha Shiv Mandir, and subsequently he came to learn that one Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar kept the phone in question in his custody. Full stop. On receipt of such application, Arsha PS Part Roman 4 number 221/25 on receipt of such application was registered and ASI Modhu Mongol Bauri was endorsed to inquire in the matter. Hello. Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar visited Arsha police station at about 15:40 hours full stop. On 16/7/2025 Shankar Bhagavan Mahato also turned up at the police station along with his elder brother, and on that occasion Vishnu returned the mobile phone to Shankar Bhagavan and his associate at the police station. Full stop. Thereafter, Shankar Bhagavan and Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar, along with others, left the police station premises, and the issue was amicably settled between both the parties. To that effect, uninterrupted 8 CCTV footage is available at the police station. Small Roman 2. On 27 Purishat 2000 at 1:45 hours, the police station received an information from GDMO of Silkabad BPHC to the effect that say aid Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar was brought dead at the said BPHC, and consequently UD case right Arsha PS UD case number 20/8/2025 dated 20 Purishat 27/2025 was initiated. Inquest was done at the BPHC, and thereafter the body was shifted to Deven Mahato Government Medical College and Hospital, Hatwara. Purulia for holding postmortem. Full stop. Videography EA process was followed during the inquest as well as when the postmortem examination was conducted. Full stop. In the postmortem report, the autopsy surgeon opined, inverted in mode, death was due to the effects of diseased condition of organs. As noted above, a natural cause. এখানে পেয়ে যাবে, হ্যাঁ, রিপোর্টে পেয়ে যাবে, বড় বড় করে লেখা আছে। Full stop. Our inverted, no external or internal injuries detected on careful dissection and examination with the help of magnifying hand lens. Full stop. No foreign body detected. Acha. The allegation labeled by the petitioner of assault as such are imaginary, motivated, manufactured, and baseless. Comma দিয়ে দিয়ে লিখে দেবে. Full stop next. আচ্ছা, the বাকি দরকার নেই, নেক্সট চলে এসো 3 নম্বর। A mail was received at the office of the superintendent of police Purulia as also Asha police station in connection with the day 8th of Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar. Full stop. In the same mail, it was reflected that complainant named Shaman Kumar complained that his brother Vishnu has been murdered by a civic volunteer. Full stop. On the basis of the complaint, Asha PS initiated a case being Asha PS case number 121/25 dated 21/7/2025 under section 103(1) BNS. Acha. As the complaint was submitted electronically, the procedure under section 173(1) তারপরে ব্র্যাকেটে 1 আর ব্র্যাকেটে II of BNSS was followed. And the complainant received the same. Full stop. The next paragraph হচ্ছে ওই next এটা ওই 4 হবে না 4. The police authorities denied that Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar was beaten and assaulted by police to death, and the allegation brought against the police authorities in the paragraph are not based on fact, which is substantiated by the report of the autopsy surgeon autopsy surgeon. Full stop. এইটুকুই খালি দিয়ে দাও, বুঝতে পারছো তো? হ্যাঁ, এই বেশি আর দেওয়ার দরকার নেই। এবার এই পর্যন্ত করা আছে, এই জায়গাটা নেক্সট উঠবে, বুঝতে পারছো তো? মার্ক করা চলবে পেন দিয়ে। আচ্ছা, I have taken into account the difference of findings. The difference of observations made in the first postmortem prepared by the autopsy surgeon of Deven Mahato, যা লেখা আছে গভর্নমেন্ট হসপিটাল কি আশা পুরুলিয়া নাকি লিখে দেবে, as also by the board. এটা দিয়ে দিলাম, ঠিক আছে, দরকার নেই। No, it's over here. As also by the board of doctors of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIMS Kalyani. The emphasis is of the report which was submitted before this court along with the case diary was that there were no external injuries on the person of the deceased, which is diametrically opposite to the observations made or the observations of the doctors who conducted a second postmortem on the body of the deceased. Full stop. I have also taken into account the manner in which the investigation of the case has been progressing and the reports which shall be submitted, which are basically at this stage denying the possibility of any offense having been committed. Full stop. This itself is very dangerous. In fact, when an investigation is in progress and the police authority are acting in a fixed set of mind without having kept options open. Full stop. Needless to state that an investigation is a quest for unearthing the truth. As such, the police authority are bound to collect materials and not to have a judgmental approach while investigating a case. Considering that considering the approach of the investigating authorities, as well as the drastic difference of opinion between the first postmortem and the second postmortem, which was pursuant to the directions passed by the court. And in order to instill public confidence, so far as investigation of a case is concerned, I'm of the view that the investigation of Arsha PS case number 121/25 dated 21/7/2025 be transferred to the DIG CID West Bengal, Bhavani Bhavan, West Bengal. The DIG CID will constitute a team of his own from the regular from the homicide department. Full stop. A progress report be submitted. The investigating officer is directed to hand over all the materials within 3 days from date to the DIG CID.
Here, my lord, kindly see para 12, the CCTV footage of the, my lord, the police station. That should be, my lord, also.
For the investigating authority. That is for the investigating
And the
agency.
hospital CCTV footage. This is
Whatever is there, those are there already. First day, I've said. Acha. কি বললাম? West Bengal. Acha. The DIG CID West Bengal will prepare a separate case diary and place both the case diaries before this court. আজকে কত তারিখ? 19 তারিখ. On 19 September 2025, when the repetition will appear under the heading to be mentioned. Huh? Body who cremated, they or you? Body you go for cremation, sir?
I think it has been cremated. Last occasion.
They have to take it.
Achha,
They have only sent a mail that you can hand over. Apart from sending a mail, they have done nothing.
So you can reply on that mail. You please can take over the body.
Acha, you go and take back.
Not she will do it.
Kindly issue one.
Petitioner being the elder brother of the deceased.
Permitted to take up the body for cremation.
Where is it kept? Devin Mahato Hospital. Where hospital? নামটা দিয়ে দেবে. Who will he approach, sir? Huh? আর কাছে যায়.
Lord, I have been instructed. Lord, we Lord prayed for the body for cremation, but the police was not allowing.
And that is the that is apart from sending a
Lord,
mail, they
Lord, don't go to any controversy. Kindly record that. If
With whom? You কার কাছে যাবে? আর কাছে যাবে.
we'll approach the super.
HOD of that.
সুপার অনেক দূরে থাকে.
HOD of that.
You stay at Arsha. Super is at Purulia.
HOD FMD department of that.
না ওই বলে আমি একে দায়িত্ব দিয়ে দিয়েছি. Arsha is within which court? Go to the court. Involve the court over there. That will solve the problem.
Magistrate.
Am I straight?
Yes, yes.
CJ Purile. He is already involved. He knows about the incident.
CJM or any other.
No, CJ will make an application. And he will implement this for handing over of the body. That will be a CJM's duty, not possible for the High Court to do. How in ground reality things would take place? আধেক লোক ছুটিতে থাকে কেউ হাসপাতালে? কি বললাম? Will make an application for return of the body of the deceased before the learned CJM Purulia. In the case is also over there in connection with Arsha is case number 121/25. the learned CGM will immediately pass directions so that the body is handed over to the brother of the petitioner for the last rites.
Father of the deceased.
Brother of the deceased. Brother of the, so that একটু দেখে নেবে হ্যাঁ for the নাম কি সমগ্র
Petition.
handed over to the for the last rites বা for cremation করে দেবে বা দেখে করে দেবে হ্যাঁ চলো আর ডেটটা লাস্টে দিয়ে দেবে বুঝতে পারলে তো টু বি মেনশনড সেপ্টেম্বর 9 বলো কি
What is there? What is there?
Sir, your reports you see
Basically opposite to
you, no see what happens is that when you try to
there is a difference. I admit there is a difference.
question is difference at the doctor level leave the doctors now what report you have prepared see the report the theory means theory is changing totally you said that this cannot be because there were no injuries this is your report where from I will be you see over here your reports I'm relying upon you say this is ruled out so I have got to make the observations totally sir.
Simply honest.
Sure.